2017 Honda Civic Si. Got this map performance system. Part number MAP HDAX. That's it right there. For anybody that wants to order it, this is what it looks like. It basically does a resonator and muffler delete and replaces it with a smaller resonator. It's from the cat back right there, and it's a 3-inch system all the way back. There's the stainless steel resonator. Then it continues 3-inch, and it duals out to a double quad tips, blue flame. There's the original system that comes on it that nobody likes because it's too quiet. We like it loud. We don't like it quiet. There it is. That's what it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And this is the race edition, right? Race edition. There it is. Beautiful. Stainless steel. I'll let you guys hear it. Yeah, it's clean. Go ahead. Sound decibels. Go ahead. It's about 96. It's not bad. Go ahead and back it up. Scout muffler. Scout muffler. Sure. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's because it's aftermarket, but we'll check it. We don't mind.
Do we take it? See if
it's up. You can bring it back if you see it's something you're hitting. Just bring it back because it's like about 45-minute wait, and I know you got to get back to work.
All right.
Yeah, if you have any issues, just if you see something that it's hitting, then bring it back to me and we'll realign everything.